Hey guys, we are back at Universal Orlando with another room tour. Our first time staying at Sapphire Falls. And so here is our entrance. Sorry, it's a little, there we go. This is our entrance. So right when you enter, of course, full length mirror. We are here for one night for Halloween Horror Nights. So right when you enter, of course, is the sink in the bathroom and then the bathroom over there, but that's probably my favorite part of this room so far. But right here, there is a closet. This is so nice because normally these closets go side to side. This one opens. Steven has his Roosevelt shirt for tonight with the monsters on it. So I thought that this closet was pretty cool because normally, like I said, they slide, but this one opens and closes this way. Let's swing this way to the bathroom. We have, of course, some towels down there, the sink, your makeup mirror, this giant mirror. This is a very pretty room. We have some products here. It looks like Julian Farrell. I'm bad, I don't know who that is, but we have a face bar. We have a shower cap. We have moisturizer. I always take this stuff home. This is my favorite part of this room, is this bathroom. Look how amazing this shower is. There is a bench in this shower. I am like, this is just gorgeous. So let's step in here. Let's see what the products are. I didn't bring any shampoo and conditioner. I knew I was gonna use what was ever here because I was trying not to pack too much. Of course, there's your clothes dryer, but this bench, wow, I'm obsessed. So this is probably, for me, the best part of this room. If you like a good bathroom, this is awesome. And of course, your toilet. Then we're gonna go into the main area. 2 beds. Some pretty artwork on the floor. On the wall. Then we have, of course, this in the center. Oh, we've got some paper. And don't mind our stuff everywhere. Here's the TV. The fridge that Steven is filling. It's a small fridge. We only usually just bring drinks. I did bring a couple of snacks. Did I bring that bag? Where's the snack bag? Did I not grab it?
You leave it in the hallway or something?
Oh no, did I leave it in the car? Or did I put it in here? I might have put it in here. Then we have a tape. Look how pretty this picture is. I love this. I didn't notice this before. And then this is like if you want to...
There's no snacks in here.
Oh no. I forgot the snack bag in the car.
Did you leave it out there or in one of those things where you put stuff down?
I wasn't carrying
it's right
it.
Here.
Where? Oh, there it is. And then this is the like work area if you need to do some work. Pretty lamp. And then a chair. This is probably the worst view we've ever had, but we didn't tell them. We just said we wanted to be close to the pool because you guys know me, I love a good hot tub. So I definitely want to use the hot tub. So our view right outside, and we're on the 2nd floor, right? So I think that's a walkway up there. I feel like it probably is. But look at this little jungle view that we have. It's kind of cute. Oh, there is a walkway up there. So you know you cannot, there's a person walking by. You cannot walk around naked. In case you were wondering. But yeah, this is, somebody was just walking up there. Whoops. But yeah, pretty nice. They have these lights here. I think this is good for, ooh, what a nice reading light. Very nice. And that's it. Babe, what are your thoughts on the room? You like it, right?
Yeah, it's just like what you would call it.
What?
It's a same split image of the other one, Hard Rock.
Hard Rock's kind of like Hard Rock, just a little bit of a downgrade.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, this, how pretty is this pillow?
Coffee.
It has a coffee maker. Oh, Steven's already making coffee. I have my bag with me. But again, you guys, look how pretty this is. This is probably the highlight for me, this bathroom. We were saying if we could pick any kind of bathroom or shower in our house, this is what we would pick. So we are staying here, like I said, one night for Horror Nights. So it is towards the end of September right now. Today is the 27th. It's a Wednesday night. And I will be doing some videos for Horror Nights. But I'm not sure how much I'm going to upload. So that's Sapphire Falls. Hope you guys enjoy.